In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Chrome shortcut to your desktop in Windows. This is a simple and useful thing to do if you want faster access to Chrome without searching for it every time you turn on your computer. Once the shortcut is on your desktop, you can open the browser with a single click, which can save time and make your workflow a little smoother. To get started, open Chrome if you want to make sure you're working with the correct app. Then go down to the bottom left area of your screen where the Windows search is located. In the search bar, type Chrome. As you type, Google Chrome should appear in the search results. When you see Chrome in the results, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose Open File Location. This will take you to the folder where the Chrome shortcut or application file is stored. This is helpful because it lets you access the item you need in order to place a shortcut directly on your desktop. Once that folder opens, look for Chrome again inside the window. Then right-click on Chrome one more time. This is the item you want to copy so that you can place it on your desktop. After right-clicking, copy it. Now go to your desktop. You can minimize your open windows or move them aside until you can see an empty area of the desktop clearly. Then right-click on the desktop itself and paste it there. After you do that, the Chrome shortcut will appear on your desktop. At this point, you should be able to double-click the shortcut anytime you want to open Google Chrome quickly. If you like to keep your desktop organized, you can also drag the shortcut to a corner or place it wherever it's easiest for you to find. If the icon does not appear right away, give your desktop a second to refresh, or click on an empty space on the desktop to make sure the shortcut has been created. The process is very quick, and once it's done, you won't need to repeat it unless the shortcut is deleted later. And that's it. That's how to add a Google Chrome shortcut to your desktop in Windows.